Let's try and create these on the other side if you're having difficulties. Point number 28 is this point over here, and then with 29, 30, 31, 32. So if I click on point 32, that's this point right here, and point 33 is in between those right there. So when you're doing your point spaces, I like to go counterclockwise because that's how circles are created on CATIA. I will do the repetition. Oh, I have point 33 already highlighted. I'm going to cancel that. Click on no man's land and then try repetition again. The first point is going to be this point down here. Wouldn't it be nice if I could just pick it? No, cannot. That's point number 32. And then this curve got picked up because it's the default. So it just automatically uses that curve. I don't even have to pick it. But for the second point, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click that point up there. Wouldn't it be nice if I could just pick that point? Let's try, I think I said it was point 28. Preview that. Can't see nothing. Just got to commit to this and say OK. This is the repetition in the specification tree it just created, which is point number 37. It's very hard to see. Point number 38 is in the middle right here, and point 39 is this one up here. So I just created points in between points 28 up here and 32 down here. And that is points 37, 38, 39. They're right in between those 2 points. Again, the next thing I did was went to line. Oops. I double-clicked the line feature under the wireframe, and I already got point 39 picked, which is not what I wanted, so I'm going to cancel that, make sure nothing's highlighted, click on no man's land, and try this again. Double-click line. Default's the last one I did, which is angle normal to curve, which is what I want. Last angle I had was 74. So the curve, I'm going to pick this curve, and I'm going to pick this point up here. Oh my gosh, it got it. So I'm going to grab point 39 and reverse the direction. Select OK. I'm going to select point number 37, which is this one down here. And what happens is switch point to point. I'm going to try and go back to angle, normal curve, and grab this curve, and it leaves point 37 highlighted. I'm going to use the reverse direction. Maybe that's too much of an angle, so we can hit up and going, I don't know, looks good to me. Select OK. Not everything in life is symmetrical, so we'll do another one on this curve. What's the odds of me getting that point? Oh my gosh. Point 38. Reverse the direction. And we'll go down some. Select OK. And that's it. Cancel this. Zoom back out. That is how you create points equally spaced between 2 points along a curve and lines at different angles to a curve.